Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting so that you can be very careful with this because this situation can end in disaster. Let's see. They have brought us to the workshop of BMW so we can change the rear brake pads and discs because the owner who has been around for a while has told us that when braking, they made noise. This is because the steel of the disc rubbed against the steel of the pad. It was completely worn out. I'm going to show you. The problem is that this friction, what it does is that the temperature rises excessively. Look, there you see this color that you see there, brown, is due to that excess of temperature. This could have caught fire at any moment. There you see the brake caliper as it is. Also, as I say, this is a very dangerous situation. People are not aware of this. Of these dangers, look, there you see the tire. The rim inside has the same color, and this is the cause. He has used the pads so much that they rub against metal on metal, and this causes the temperature to rise, which practically becomes red hot, and at any moment it can end up on fire. And as soon as that starts to catch fire, there normally the car usually burns, and it can end in personal misfortunes. This is the right side, you see. Here the disc is also very worn, just like the pads, but here it has not yet come to rub metal against metal. Here you see that it does not have that brown color, specific in high temperature situations. So be careful with this, because we see this more than we would like. Or in other words, there are no more vehicle fires because, God forbid, because on many occasions they bring us cars, and the client tells you, look, my pickups are already ringing, they ring against the disc, but they don't give it much importance. Apart from the fact that this high temperature usually damages the ABS sensors, by the way, but in the worst case, this causes a fire. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.